Hi, Randall.
Hi, Flapper.
How are you?
I'm good.
Good. So, welcome, guys, to our very first episode of our podcast. Today is just going to be about getting to know each other better. So, getting to know how we grew up, stuff like that. But moving on from next week, we're going to be going to more topics and me and him discussing from our different points of view. But today we're just going to get to know each other. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe.
Yes.
So we can grow our channel. As you guys know, on TikTok, we don't get monetization in Canada. So we're going to move our talents to YouTube for longer form content. So the very first topic that we have that I want to ask my dad is, how did you meet my mother?
I want to say when your dad told me I run taxi. And then you have like a cook shop at the taxi stand. And every time we come Monday morning or Sunday morning, we always go and get them and bring them to the store. Okay,
so you were running a taxi.
Yes.
She was working at a cook shop?
No, she and her sister have a cook shop.
Okay, so she and her sister had a cook shop.
Yes.
And you said you were in a taxi,
so first when they come down when somebody drop them in the morning and at the hill then they bring them back home.
Okay, so alright. So you bring them back home. So how did you talk to her? Like how did you go from
I buying lunch every day, and never hoe, never buy, never beg. I will spend my money. And I see it and I see nice lady and I say
nice lady is crazy.
The nice lady and I say, hi Monica. And she don't answer, she never answer. She was very feisty, you know? Very feisty. But I continue to say hi. The one day she said, well, yeah, well, call me and I say hi.
Yeah, she said no.
So me always did, and then till we start get closer and closer. A long time. It's not 1 week, 2 weeks, or 3 weeks. Long time, but me patient, you know.
You're patient?
Got me a countryman.
Okay, so yeah. How long do you say approximately?
Well, a year plus.
A year plus?
A year plus.
Persistence is a year plus is crazy.
Yeah. Got me. I'm a countryman and a Russian. And a town man with everything, town man see they want. See, countryman always patient because town man just want everything.
Right away. But that's the thing, I feel like that's the difference between now. Like the men now, if they talk, like say they text me and be like, oh hi Kim. And I'm like, oh hi, how are you? They don't have time for none of that. Not all men, but like I feel like the patience now, a year plus, good luck with them trying to pursue you for a week.
Yeah, but what they want, Papa?
No, I know, but that's what I'm saying, the difference. Like, a lot, like, now they don't have the patience.
That's why they don't last long, Papa. That's why now...
They don't get, like, I'm just like my mother.
Relationship now not last long.
No, that's why I'm just like my mother. You're going to have to put some work in.
But you know, I mean, if I tell you now, you don't know, you know.
No, I'm just, now I'm relating it back.
Yeah.
Now I'm relating it back.
Yeah,
okay.
So
it took you a year plus before, and good for you, Mama. A year plus, okay. And then, let me see. How long, no, I don't want to ask how long you're when you guys started, did you guys go on dates?
Yes, man. We go on in place near Lookout and look over the whole in Kingston. And then we go on Seaside and look out and look on sea. So
did you know her family was very Christian? Like pastor?
Yes.
She told you?
Yes, I know. No, I used to go and see, drop them and go to one church there.
Oh, you used to drop them home?
Yes, man.
So who was the sister? Do you remember?
Auntie Prim.
Auntie Prim? Auntie
Prim Auntie Prim and my next one,
Auntie Princess?
Auntie Princess. Auntie Princess, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then how, okay, before we get all into that, what's your name, your real name, and how old are you?
My name is Ranfred, but my name is Santi too, you know.
Why do you call yourself Santi?
No, but my name Ranfred, but your mother know my name Santi, you know. Santi, your mother know me as
why you call yourself Santi Fashion?
Because, no, Santi no come this way, you know, Papa.
Oh.
Santi was, you know, back home when you buy your first car.
Make sure you're in the frame, baby.
When you buy your first car back home, and you buy your car and a few car, You, on the front glass, you mark Santee there. So I'm out Santee 1.
Santee 1?
So everybody come out and say, oh, Santee carry that as a taxi. So they know which car to take. You understand me? So my name is Santee. So after that, now my name is Santee Fashion.
And you gave yourself that name.
When I come to Canada now, I change the name from the car name Santee 1 to Santee Fashion. Because I said close now. So I'm the fashion man now.
Backside.
So now I change from fashion man to food taster #1.
So many different
stages
in life.
Yeah, but Flapper, remember, so I'm still a close man in a Flapper. So I'm still name Santee Fashion, you know. But I'm going to have too much name.
We're going to argue about that name in another time.
Yes.
But I want to say, like, guys, I can remember calling my dad's phone. He's had the same voicemail.
Yes, never changed.
Never changed.
I remember
the fashion man.
I remember that phone number never changed either.
No, I checked it the other day. You had that number for 31 years.
31 years.
32 years you had that, yeah.
My phone number. And so you know, people who pay them bills, Flapper.
Period.
Never cut off. Bills, never cut off.
Daddy, who takes care of bills now?
Now you're Flapper.
I got to cut it off. Okay. Okay. So sorry. All right. So back in Jamaica, you were you drove a taxi.
Yeah.
How long?
A long time, man. What, 4, 5, 6, 7 years.
7 years. Was that your first job?
No, not my first job, Flapper. I used to work at a carpet company, Flapper. Carpet place.
We never know that.
Yes, Flapper. I used to work at a carpet place, man. When we go around and clean carpet. You understand me? Clean carpet and lay carpet. I'm a carpet. I can't lay carpet. You know,
so how comes?
Because Flapper, you can't do everything, Flapper. You understand me? So we used to go on, you see, a month of year. We used to go a month of year 2 times, 3 times, 3 weeks straight. You know, Flapper.
Okay.
3 weeks out of the, every, all right, you see, I think June or July when tourist season start. We go down at Sanders. That time Sanders are the first hotel. Sanders first hotel in White House, Montego Bay. We used to go down and clean that. And then all tourists come down.
Okay.
Before then Sanders Negril, them Sanders, that is the first one.
Okay.
You understand me? So it's 2 weeks.
Okay.
Understand me? So maybe use that money, Flapper, and buy one cloud car, Flapper.
And started taxi?
And start run taxi. And Flapper, believe me, Flapper. When me start run, we work 5 days for the week. And every evening, me left work 4 o'clock, Flapper. And you see 5, 4, 5, 6, 7, we work more money. More than the whole day, Flapper. For that, me know say, working for somebody for the whole week, no good, Flapper.
Yeah. You have to also
So that's why when I move, come here, Flapper. Me I work for somebody, but me say me have to find us in my weekend or a evening job.
Okay.
So
your advice is, even though you're working a 9 to 5, always hustle for yourself on the side.
You have to hustle because you will never reach nowhere, buddy. You will never reach nowhere else. And Daddy Randall says so.
Thanks.
But you just work for bills. Thanks. But when you see the extra money, you can use it and do enough things. That's why I like Andy people. That's why I like Andy people. When you left the boss work, you go and do something for yourself. Saturday and Sunday or in the evening.
Okay. All right. So, great advice. I'm going to ask you, so at what age did you have your first child?
About 24.
24?
22.
22?
No, man.
Roughly.
30.
No, it can't be 30. You had me at 31. No.
20.
Because you had me at 31.
31.
And Crystal's like
3 or 4 years old.
5 years.
28, man. What, 20?
5 years older than me.
Yeah. 22, 24, something like so.
Okay, so early 20s. How did you feel when you had your first child?
Good.
Oh, you were excited?
Yes, but at the same time, remember saying, when you have your first child, you know, you have a child, some people say you can't maintain it, but you have to go work hard and you know,
so it motivated you more?
more.
Okay, wait. By the way, guys, my real name is not Flapper. It's Kimberly. Kimberly Daly. Just to put that in. So it motivates you to have work more.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So in terms of bringing it back to me for a second, how did you find out my mom was pregnant with me?
I don't remember, but she tell me.
And what was your reaction? Truthfully.
Me never feel no way because she not get old. and then you understand me, she never too young. You understand me? And she a big woman, so she must want a kid.
I'm the age that she was when she got pregnant.
Yeah. So she never had me. She was a good woman. So you understand me? So but that is not the main point, you know.
No, I just wanted to know how you felt. You found that.
I never have no problem. Yeah, after late down me have like a problem, but I don't know though flapper, no problem.
Wait, what do you mean?
When she go have, you know, everything say I was a boy.
When you thought I was tell them that story.
Yeah. Because every time, girl, I'm saying want a boy, you know. And when we go down Jubilee, they say, flapper, a girl again. Me say, Lord God, me carry on, me gone.
Because I'm a girl, you're about to peace out.
Yeah, but the problem when she start on big now, everything I'm moving in the house make her flapper.
Because he still treats me like I'm the boy.
Everything I'm moving in the house, Mr. Flapper come. If me move a bed, Mr. Flapper come. If me move a chair, Mr. Flapper come.
So regardless of you just decided I'm gonna be a boy.
Yes, so
that's crazy.
And you never feel me. Never feel me. If you put up a chair or something, Mr. Flapper, me get the screwdriver, you read the puzzle. And Flapper, put that this up, put that this up, put that this up. All the puzzle. So.
Okay. Alright, so I want to go back to how you grew up. So where did you grow up?
So you know man know when me meet your parents.
No, I'm not talking. Okay, actually let's talk about that. How was because my mom's family very religious, all pastors, bishops, deacons, everything. We have our own church. So how was it meeting my grandparents?
It was nice. It was a good.
It was nice.
Yes, a good grandpa.
No, I genuinely
yes,
don't know.
Believe me. Yes, because when he called me, me have to go there, you know. Yes, me have to go down there. He called me have to come down there.
So
it's not.
Was that your first time meeting them?
Yes. You have to go down there. You think me have? He called me. I have to go meet him for and say, oh Lord. We go down there and sit down. He said to me, young man. I said, yes, sir. You get yourself in trouble? I said, yes, sir. You have to stand up to your responsibility. I said, yes, sir. He said, good.
Okay, and that was it?
That was it.
How about my grandma?
Your grandma was there, but she was not doing the talking. Her grandfather, yeah.
So were you nervous going there?
Yes, but me have to go.
Understandable.
So,
okay.
So what's your problem, no problem?
No problem. I'm just asking questions.
Yeah.
I'm getting to know you guys. I don't really have much of a life. No kids yet. Nothing like that. So we're gonna dive into him first. Yeah. So how growing up, how was your relationship with your mom and dad?
It was tough and rough and good.
In what way? Describe it.
Because me was a man, lazy man, no one go bush. I don't want to go on the farm.
Bush, yeah.
And they want to push me in the farm and I say me no. So each time me go, when me started a man in time, me just take the pot and him the plate. And me go and me cook. Cook the man them lunch, you know. So I me share the man them lunch because me disappear galo girl.
Oh, I was gonna say, where did you go?
Galo girl. I said by then come home, me cook dinner again.
So you were the cook for the farm?
Yes, me was the cook. All the way I have to cook.
Okay.
So we cook by stage. When me get big, then me next brother start cook. Then me next brother start cook.
Oh, okay.
Yes, my mother no cook. My mother is a hustler. You understand me? So she don't do the cooking.
So when you say she was a hustler, what?
She sell a market night. It's 4 days a week she go market. 5 days a week she go market. If you can't feel free. And my father do it for farming.
You know, it's okay. So when you said you cook for the man them.
The man who work, he work on the farm and he work on the farm.
With who? Who did they work with?
My mother. My mother always have 3-4 men work with her every week.
Okay.
So we go and do the cooking for their lunch. Watch up at the pot, plate and come back home.
So your dad, where did he?
He was there too.
Oh, okay. That's what I should understand.
Yeah.
Okay. So basically, you grew up in a family that your mom was a hustler, your dad was working on the farm.
Always.
So that you feel like that's where you got it from?
Yes. Market.
Market. Okay.
Grandmother got market too. So she take it from her mother.
Okay. So your siblings, how many siblings do you have?
9, 10.
9 or 10, okay. And were you guys all close in age?
Yeah, we are close. 2 years apart at least. 2 years, 1 year, 2 year, 2 year, yeah, 2 years.
Okay, so were you guys all close growing up, or?
We always close because we are small, so we have to close.
You have no choice.
You have no choice. No choice, no papa. You was close, so you're on a big house where you can't hide from nobody. But you're going near to somebody.
Oh, okay. So, all right. So we always talk about how it was like work-wise, like go out farm, whatever. Whenever I feel like, I don't know why I feel like you guys never used to play. Did you guys ever like have an actual like fun? Like, what did you guys used to do for fun growing up?
We used to have a little background close by where 4 brothers we play cricket.
Yeah, y'all don't need any friends. You guys have 10.
Yeah, we play cricket. And in the evening now, we go in play domino.
Okay.
Seeing like we got a shop. And we go to the road and we play domino. And we come back home. You understand me? And then I just like that.
Okay.
So we play.
Okay. And then what about school?
School is a thing where
I thought you were laughing.
No, but serious, school is a thing like this, you know. We only go to school 4 days a week, you know. Because it's a Friday, I feel carry load.
Okay.
If you got market. So we never seen a Friday school.
Okay.
Monday to Thursday. 4 days a week. You understand me?
And the school never had a problem with you guys?
The school not a problem because we parents have got market.
No, that's what I want to look. There's a difference now.
No, it's different.
No, that's what I'm saying. That's the thing, another generation thing.
Yeah.
Where back then that was a thing, but if you miss school now every Friday, oh, someone's calling your house, someone's showing up.
Yeah.
So that's interesting.
So that means it's something I try to show you, it's a 4 days a week. And when we graduate at the weekend, still can't go to school when I graduate, you know, Papa? Because I have to go carry out something in the market. But I love it, you know, because you see, we have never out of food. You understand me? So sometimes you get too much things, but you don't get too much. You understand me?
Yeah.
So them things that I try to show you, say, so we work, but matter how we make you feel nice. You understand me? But she never push education upon way.
That's my next question. What, like, any sibling, like, is there a specific sibling that excelled in school?
No.
Oh, none of you guys liked it that much?
No. We just got primary school and all age and done. But all the grandkids, you know.
Excel?
Excel. All. You two in the farm, you go straight down. My brother's name, all brilliant. All brilliant. All brilliant.
Oh, so you're calling me brilliant?
And then the flapper, then I know to flapper. So, that's how it go.
So what's the highest grade that you completed?
Me must be 10 or 9.
That's still good though for like that's
But
good.
that time I secondary school as well.
That's good. Okay.
And
high school ends in grade 12.
Yeah.
I don't know what it was back then.
They call it all age school back home, Flapper.
All age?
Yeah.
Okay.
So no that a primary school now, so you have to go to high school now.
Oh.
So you cut out that now.
Okay. Let's see. Who were you closer with growing up, your mom or your dad?
Two of them, you know, but two of them are two different ways.
Okay, explain each way.
My father, I love my father, for my father in Bossy, in loving boy them. In love them, you understand me? And maybe take my father's shoes and go to school. Okay. I mean, I want to wear the plastic shoes we call them Booga shoes.
What's it called?
Booga. You see cracks and
yeah.
Back home, when you have to wear a Booga that, you know. A plastic shoe, then same cracks with them.
I have to Google Booga.
Yes, cracks, then we have some name in Booga.
Okay.
They call cracks and all. You understand me? So, yes, rubber one. Yeah, yeah, cracks. I name Booga now. You see, so we have to, but me never like to wear it, but one of them my one boss. So when the boss, every time you walk, you come out of it. So me hide my father's shoes now, and hide it never on a walk, and then put on it, and I come back home and clean off and bring it back in. Okay. I mean, no say no, but you never say no. Okay. You understand me? But my mother know gonna cut your neck.
Okay. So, okay, you said that was your relationship with him. How was your relationship with your mom?
Yes, but my mother nice and all.
In what way?
Because you see, my mother always came to the market with her. So you see, when you go to market now, me start off before she come. in the early morning. I carry down the food and then I start off in the morning. And I sell until she come about 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock. And when she come, she will give me a little money and I'm going to sleep somewhere.
You went to sleep?
Yes, them going to sleep in some truck and something truck will carry down from the market. And then now, when 4 o'clock now, she'll leave market now. So you see all of the piece we left over now, extra them. And me I sell them and I put them money in my pocket.
Oh, okay.
So that's how sweet me now. So me make money. So me never out of money for
So was it only you that was able to do that, or?
Yes, because I say everything go by stage. Me the bigger one.
Oh, okay. You're the oldest?
Yes. Okay. So after me left, the next brother do the same thing. So after me left, the next brother, so it go by stage. So everybody have their spot.
Okay.
You see it. So it's sweet me. So me never broke, Papa.
Okay.
My mother never broke, Papa. My mother always have money.
So a long time I love money.
But I mean, because my mother.
So
that's it. So, but you don't know, you never hear, that's what they call them, bib.
What do you mean?
Bib.
Like what babies wear?
You
said bib.
All right, what me tell you? You have somewhere there?
Apron.
Apron. You know apron? Okay, apron, but then have 2 pockets.
Okay.
So you see, every morning she push on it. So sometimes it high up like that.
Yeah.
Money. So if you say you push on that baby and take up money, she can't miss it.
Yeah, because she don't know how.
She don't know what money like.
Okay.
So every week is like that.
Okay.
You understand me? So you see, that's why I love. Yeah, but you have to work for it now, Papa. Like now, people want things I don't work for.
Facts.
You understand me? So I saw me and my that close. You see it? And you buy you anything. You understand me? And you should not work for nobody. You should not beg nobody nothing. You're poor. We pouring out a corner of this, so we not beg nobody nothing. So people always say, oh, them, I got through so. But we are right. Next.
He said next. I was going to ask you, okay, so thinking back to all of that, give me your fondest memory. Like, when you think back, what's the thing that you can smile or you can laugh about? Because that's the best, like, just one of your fondest memories from childhood.
Child.
Before you moved out on your own.
No, before me move out for my own. Me used to I pray for 18-year-old Papa. Because me want to leave. Because me just want to dress up on the road. Me don't want to do the hard work. So you see me when me do now, me always Papa will tell me he want to buy me a truck. That I found his part of it. He might want to buy me something. And he can't buy me flapper. But he might tell me I believe him. So every time I look towards him, Papa will buy me truck, he not buy me truck.
But he wanted to.
I just talk, Papa, he can't buy it. Papa couldn't buy a donkey. But he want to buy me truck.
Don't come for him.
So it says it's to me that I found part of it. I mean, go up now and say, Papa couldn't buy me. I know he found it. I know he found it to me.
But that's not a fun memory. Like, something that happened, like, maybe it was your birthday, Christmas.
Oh, yes, Papa. One Christmas. Dress up.
I'm just picturing what you think of
dress up, you know. Put on nice,
No, I'm thinking about
new shoes, a new pants, a new shirt, a new hat. Money in your pocket.
Okay.
We have a picnic at the road, Papa.
Okay.
And we get one shoes from farm. Papa ends up travel to Farm Hurricane.
Okay.
Travel to
You
Farm
didn't
Hurricane.
even know that.
Travel to Farm Hurricane and bring me,
Where?
bring all in US, because sugar
okay.
cane. And bring me because I am a boat. But it's a suede boat. Brand new boat, no suede boat, you know, Flapper. And Flapper, I don't know what I do. I put on the boat and see me go a road. I mean, hear the band and everything with a road and my night and the music and everything. And I say, yes, me this now, my brand new and fresh. Flapper, one wire. you know the wire then where they run like open?
Yeah.
Me, I go underneath it. I'm last foot. It rip Flapper right by top of it, Flapper.
Oh, that's so sad.
Flapper, it rip Flapper.
That is so sad.
It rip Flapper. And both my shoes and my shirt rip. So you know what I have to do, Flapper? Flapper, you know what I have to do?
No.
You have to turn back. And wait, until night come now.
And then go?
So that when we go there, all the fun done in the flapper. Because this, them are what you call me and grown that spin, and you sit down, you have to get right on me.
So, that's not okay, go ahead.
And then you, I start part of it.
But that's not fun.
No, then I start part of it.
No, it's a fun memory, something that made you happy. Because that made me want to cry.
Yeah. And so, after the fun, the bad part of Papa. And then the fun, me happy for us, you know, Papa. We the new clothes. We new clothes. But it turned back sad. So me have to wait till night now, Papa. And when night come now, when the night come now, me go out. Nobody can see shoes no more. So the next day, me sweat up. And the time I sweat and push my foot in the bus all back. I know it's enough Flapper. Once a year I get the shoes in Flapper.
I don't think you know what fun means, but okay.
Flapper.
Because that's pretty sad.
So Flapper. I started doing the Flapper. Me happy before now.
Yeah, but that is supposed to be a happy moment from start to beginning. But let's just, because this is giving sad.
Yeah, so.
That's giving sad.
So they have to know the sad part is the main part that can go up in the Flapper. If you have a sad part, you know, be smart person, you know.
I know, but like whenever somebody says, what's a fun memory?
For work and down and play this and that. And
it's supposed to be like, oh, you know, this Christmas I wanted a car, and like a toy car, and could never afford it, but then Christmas I woke up and it's there. That's a fun memory. Not you ripping your shoe and can't go out.
The fun part is that when you got home. The fun part is that when I start working myself.
Okay.
So Flapper, when I show the shoes and the shoes bust up, I tell you the part of my I know it burn me.
Oh, that's
and
so
then,
sad.
And then Flapper, I not get the shoes until next year now. Once a year I get the shoes.
Bruh.
So you know, so
why did you go to the wire?
Because me cut short.
Short cut the what?
Short cut, job blood then say.
Draw suede.
Suede, that's it. Draw suede. And Flapper, when me have to start, that time I have to start hiding and wear my father's shoes now.
Oh.
Anyway, I go.
Wait, so the boot for the year.
And then now, so that are the bad part. This is the happy part right now. So okay, so the part where you want to hear now. Yeah, look boy around.
Come a little bit closer, Daddy.
Like about 10, 12. 12 or 10 or 12, something like so, remember. But remember, we were at church. And you know what they say about recitation? Recitation.
What is that?
It's like sing a poem. Because they have a function now. And everybody have to sing. Okay. And then throw money, and if you don't like it, like what you're doing now, you go back up. You understand me? So we call it recitation. Okay. So people group up and sing and then cheer.
They used to call it penny concert for me.
All right. This is the same thing at church where we call it. So one day, my mother give me my recitation. You know, see it and me I go sing it. Yes, Flapper, you know what I mean? It's a long time. That church show you. That time I try to show say Randall a real star.
Randall can't sing though, but go ahead.
Okay. So me go to church, and I sit down at church and did it. Chimble, shake. And then they call my name. Stanford, daily come up. And I go up there. Stanford, my name again too, you know?
You have many names.
All right, Stanford, my name again.
We're going to get into all of this.
And Flapper, when we go up and then say, meditation by Stanford daily, and I say, yes, that's my time, I'm going to shine you now.
Time to shine, baby.
And I say, I go up and I say, pink by pink panel. This and that, and they say,
Wait, they were cheering for you or?
Cheer for me. Those
What
couple
did
of
you say?
ping panel. This is Ranford daily. And I say, the whole place pop down now. And I walk up street them and say, I'm going to scatter. Just with that ping panel.
Can you do it for us?
Let me say that right now.
Oh, that was it?
That's it.
Oh no, were they all hearing impaired?
No, because they don't expect nothing from me.
Oh, okay.
You understand me? I told that treat the lyrics. I ain't done Flapper.
Ping pong, panel.
Yeah. All right,
That's so funny.
You see it?
No,
so that's my funny part.
Okay. And fondness just means like the happiness.
Yes, happiest moment, yeah.
All right, so we're gonna move a little bit further from your life in Jamaica. How old were you when you moved to Canada?
30 and plus.
30 plus. Okay, and
about
how
34.
No, you were.
32.
Oh, you know, you were.
Yes, man.
34. Okay.
94.
94.
94.
94. So that means you were at
94.
32. 33. No, you're 32 and 94.
Yeah.
Okay, so I was 1 year old when you came.
Yeah, I know that, Papa. You don't have to tell me. I know that.
I'm just letting the people know it's a podcast.
Yes.
Okay, so how was it, like, culture shock? Like, how was it when you moved to Canada?
You know what I mean, Canada, Flapper? You know what happened?
What happened?
Me think say me never reach and go back to Jamaica in 1 year, you know.
Oh, yeah. In 1 year?
Yes, Flapper, because when we there country, everybody, Jamaica, everybody come for me, they come with them long chain and drive car and then something, them say things are going on. You understand me, Flapper? So me think say when me come here,
Rich and
so me must say, Flapper, me left a yard in a tree, me left 3 car a yard, you know, Flapper. I went taxi, you know. So when me come, me never broke, really broke. So me never expect to go way down, Flapper, you know, if you say me exhale up, you know. But then I say, go,
so
Flapper.
what do you mean you went way down? Like, what was your...
Alright, when you come here, Flapper, you see when you used to work for yourself, and you come here for work for somebody. But me did predict myself a long time, and me say the only way me ever work for somebody again is if me go to foreign.
Okay.
So me never work to work myself.
Okay.
Because me know that's what me said. So when me come here, Flapper, and start work, night, so $6 an hour, $7 an hour, $6.65 an hour. I said, this can't help me. But me I struggle. Me I go on, and then me see, I have to go get start hustle. But me I say, I can't run a taxi here, I can't do something here. So me have to find something for that do. And then, I have a cousin, and me and him go up on the farm. And I put me a pass my yard and I want to hold car. I sell for $500. So when we pass and go and come back, we still see car there. And I said to me cousin, stop. And when me tap and ask the man how much for the car, and the man said, how much you pay? I say, you say 500, but the man thinks me say 200.
Okay.
And the man, when me the man say, we say 200, I say yes. And the man said me I will carry $200. And I hit me start with and start have extra money in Flapper. You see?
So okay. So you came here, you got your first car for $200. What was your first job?
Work at one factory, man.
A factory? Okay.
Night and day, one night job.
A night job?
And one warehouse called Zella's Warehouse.
Okay. How long did you do that for?
6 weeks.
You say 6 years.
6 weeks.
Why 6 weeks?
Because that's the first one. You work at the agency 6 weeks.
Oh, it's an agency. Okay.
6 weeks. So after me done the 6 weeks, they send me home the Sunday night, they send me home. If you call you back the next day. Because like 20 years ago there, they might choose who they want.
Yeah.
So they send everybody home now. So they me go home the Sunday night and by the we reach home but 6 o'clock in the morning.
Yeah. And
then a next agency call me. So me left from that 6 o'clock, they send taxi for me and then 6 o'clock me gone on next one.
Yeah,
so me never get no sleep that night the Flapper. And I see him drive me do for 30 years.
That's the same one. Oh, that's the same one you've been? Oh,
yeah.
Okay. And then what was it in terms of like the weather?
Flapper, the weather was bad because you see if you walk up the street and the breeze are blowing a Flapper, that's tight you can't breathe, you know. So me turn my back and I walk back. Up the road, me go at the market, because I'm one time I go to the place where I got the place for agency. I back, me I walk back and sideways.
And that's how you made us walk to school in the winter time.
And then I was younger, Flapper.
No, we were still stifling at a young age.
No. You say you're mass. Me get some mass. You get mass with put in nose.
Huh? We were still stifling.
Yes.
Wait, Val.
Sideways.
Okay. All right. So we're gonna, that's about a little bit about your background. We're gonna touch more into like different topics. I don't want to give too much on the first video. It's just supposed to be a quick intro because we're gonna have different topics throughout the time. Okay, so another question is, how do you feel like our relationship was growing up?
Fear.
Sorry.
Me and you. Are all the kids then?
No, just me and you right now.
No. The relationship, must say, Flapper, it was a long time, the relationship with me and you, for when you're around 11 or 10. Remember when me carry you go to the first reunion? You forgot that, Flapper?
No, I remember.
All right, you and your sister me carry you, remember? All right. What me did to do that?
You did her hair.
I plait you.
Atrociously.
I put my finger in and plait your hair, Flapper. Remember, you accept that for that time you love you a long time, Flapper?
I never said you didn't love me. I'm just saying you did her hair atrociously.
Okay. Which man at that time, a Jamaican man, plait them kid here? Explain too much of them.
I'm pretty sure.
I twist them and then you go to reunion with it.
Looking crazy. And so when we got to reunion, we asked our cousin to redo her hair.
Okay.
Do you remember that?
Okay. See me not beg nobody if you don't to my girls them. You don't see that? All right. No matter the first time that never happened.
Okay, I'm gonna ask you a question. I'm gonna answer a question for myself. What's like I remember one specific thing between me and you, like one moment in a relationship that I remember when I was younger. I feel like that's the first memory I had of you. Which I know it wasn't the first one, but that's the one I remember. What's the first memory you have with me?
When we carry reunion.
That was the first memory you have, sir. We've had.
Yes, and then we go a bush with a pine donkey. I remember the pine donkey and Taffy pine donkey a bush. I remember that.
Wait, batteries.
We will try this up.
Okay, so you want to know the first memory I had?
Cry?
No. When me and Taffy came to Clarendon and we were making banana chips.
No,
you don't remember that?
No.
I'm a banana chip salt. I put all the salt in the banana chip. You don't remember that?
No.
Oh, ask Taffy. Me and Taffy went and we picked banana. Taffy made her banana chips. It came out good. And we put all the salt in the banana chips. That's the first memory I had. And I said, no, mommy, this too salt. That's the first memory. And I find that so funny. But that's the first memory I had.
So how long can you cook ground food for?
Yes. Maybe that's the reason you're borderline today.
You see?
And then another one is when I remember when we went to my grandpa, your father's funeral. And I don't have a memory of him because I was so young. But I was, you remember you were crying, trying to climb in. And I was crying like the way I was crying, you think that he was my best friend.
Yes.
I was crying I was crying like I was my best friend. But yeah, so those are like the first core memories I have, like growing up and like meeting you and being around you. We're gonna close off the video shortly. I just have 2 more questions and it's gonna be with both of us. Okay, yeah, we have a good amount of time. Okay, so I feel like throughout my teenage years, like once I moved to Canada, we weren't as close.
No.
Right? Actually, no, I want to touch on that in another video. I want to touch on like the relationship that we had and then how we repaired it. I feel like that should be a separate video. Yeah. So, so this video is to get to know Randall a bit more. I'm going to go into detail about myself in another video, but I feel like it was important to get to know the man, the myth, the legend.
Yes.
Know.
Number 1 taster. Randall, number 1 taster. You know, because when Flapper understanding enough little things happen, you know, we have struggled through things, you know. You understand me?
I understand it, though.
I see it. That's why I'm proud of it sometimes, you know.
Sometimes it's crazy.
Yeah, sometimes you give me wrong food, Flapper. So sometimes you give me some food with a different name and
because
and you tell me
I want you to be able to, all right, say you go out with your boss, right?
Yeah.
And then he takes you to an Italian place. You can look at the menu and be like, okay, can I have the bolognese? You can say these things. So I want to culture you to like, if you go out with anybody, nobody can take you for no Laffy Taffy. You can be like, can I have the bolognese? Can I have the Cajun shrimp pasta? You can order these things and you know what it is. You understand? Like, it's the same kind of thing you'd have in Jamaica, but it has a different name. So we're going to get cultured on this podcast. We're going to argue. We're going to cry. We're going to laugh. We're going to do everything. We're going to get to know each other. And honestly, I want this podcast to be something you can watch with your dad or your mom, whichever one, whichever parent. It needs to be. It's going to be a family-friendly podcast. Like, we're going to get into certain topics, but it's never going to be anything explicit. Like, it's going to be something that if you want to repair your relationship with a family member.
Yeah, because family very important.
Very.
And your parents very important. Remember me tell that. I love your parents too. And I love you too.
And then, exactly. And not only are you supposed to respect your parents and all that, your parents
must respect you too. And sometimes listen to you, sometimes it burn you, but you know what, you have to just, but you must listen.
I like that.
You must listen.
Yeah.
You understand me?
Go ahead.
Trust me. But especially girl them are nice one.
I didn't want me to be a girl.
Yeah, no, especially me should have about 10 more girls. Yes? I love the girl them bad man. Yes.
And you love your boys too.
Yes, love the boys them, yes, man. But you see, the boys them is for the mother. But the girls then love them father.
But then that's what remember you're saying that you wanted me to be a boy. And then no, look what I did. I made you love I'm kidding, not just
yeah.
joking. I'm just joking. But we're gonna go through it. Like, we're gonna talk. I don't have kids yet, so we're gonna have conversation about how I want to raise my kids, his grandkids, and he's gonna talk about how he raised his kids and why he did certain things that he did. It's gonna be a lot of conversation. I'm hoping that it will be a podcast that can heal relationships. Because we healed ours. So we're going to talk about how we healed our relationship and why it was so important and the relationship that we have right now. Yeah. So I'm really hoping that everyone will join. Yes,
join, because in life, it's only one life. You understand me? And sometimes when you're gone, you cry, and you wish you have your mother, your father with you. You understand me? You wish you have them sometimes, because sometimes when you can afford things, you can drive them, run a nice car, you give them a nice house, they're not here. So you have to cherish what you have every moment. Daddy Randall says so. Daddy Randall says so.
Yeah. So I agree. Like, you have to cherish your parents, and your parents have to cherish you, because some kids like straight go away, leave home, and your kids should never feel comfort somewhere else other than your home, but like your home. Like, your kids should not want to come home. And again, I had those feelings as well growing up at some points, and it wasn't anything crazy. It was just a child being a child and not understanding life. But we're gonna talk about all that. So, next episode is gonna come out next week. You know, it is Flapper.
Yes, Flapper side. And I'm your Christian Flapper too, you know. Yes, Flapper. My turn gone, but we have more things to say still.
No, I just don't want to give everything out. Like, I want to have steps. So we're gonna sign off. As you know, this is your girl Flapper and
Daddy Randall, #1 taster.
Period. #1 chef. Don't play with it.
I never say nothing wrong with that, Flapper. I'm saying I'm a taster.
No, I'm just hyping myself up, babe.
I'm #1 taster in Canada.
And the #1 chef.
Yes, Flapper, I know.
I'm joking. Alright, guys, until next week. Have a wonderful week.
Bye.
Happy Easter. Bye.
Bye, not bye. Bye.
Bye.